When Kritik Raj is going to read this page number 133, you should ready with the pencil, underline the new words, and as a part of your homework, you are going to find the meanings of those new words. Clear? Yes? Yes. Come on, let's do it now. Kritik, start reading.
By gumdrops, whispered the big friendly giant.
Whispered.
Is that really it? There is the valley. Sophie whispered back. Not more than 100 yards away. Thought the tall trees in the garden, across the moon lawns and the tidy flower beds. A massive shape of the palace itself loomed through the darkness. It was made of.
You go and sit in her class only, go, she will come.
Loomed through the darkness. It was made of stone. The size of it suggests the BFG. But this palace is having 100 bedrooms at least, he said easily. I should think, Sophie whispered. Then I boggled. The BFG said, how is I possible in finding the one the queen is sleeping? Let's go a bit closer and have a look, Sophie whispered. The BFG glided forward among the trees.
Kritik, the way you are reading, you have to change it a lot. See? There is no expression. You are reading is not expressional. You are not reading as per the punctuations. Shall I read the same thing what you read from the starting? Beta, this is your grade 4. You're going to finish your grade 4 and you are reading like a grade 1 child. I'm going to read. Run your finger, Kritik, and again you are going to repeat it. By gumdrops, whispered the BFG, the big friendly giant. Is this really it? See, the voice, children. You can hear it. Wherever the question is there, that expression I'm showing, that punctuation, I'm using it properly. See the question, is this really it? Okay, understood? Let's see now. There's the palace. See, they are very surprised to say that. There's the palace. Sophie whispered back. Not more than 100 yards away. Through the tall trees in the garden. Across the mound lawns and the tidy flower beds. The massive shape of the palace itself loomed through the darkness. It was made of whitish stone. The sheer size of it staggered the BFG. Got it, Kritik?
Yes, ma'am.
Repeat it now. Read it in that way.
By gumdrops, whispered the big friendly giant. Is it really?
Okay, 1 minute. You know what are gumdrops?
No, ma'am.
I'll show you. See, this is a type of a sweet. Can you see this?
Yes, ma'am.
See, a gum type.
Ma'am, I ate one time, ma'am, this.
Yes, this is a gumdrop. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Continue, Kritik.
Sophie whispered back. No more than 100 yards away. They threw the tall trees in the garden, across the moon lawns and the tidy
mound lawns.
Mound lawns and the tidy flower beds. A massive shape of the palace itself loomed through the darkness. It was made of whitish stone. The
Okay,
sheer size of it suggests the BFG.
very good.
But this
Enough.
palace
Enough. What is the meaning of massive?
enormous, big man.
Enormous or very big?
Big.
Yes. Sheer size? Sheer?
No, ma'am.
Huh?
Underline. No, ma'am, I don't know.
Not you. Any other child. What is the meaning of sheer?
Sheer.
Huh? A very big size. A very big size. Sheer size. Very, very big. Okay. Huria, continue.
Yes, ma'am. They, there's the palace, Sophie whispered back. Not
No,
more
but
than.
this palace is. But from start from but.
Yeah.
But this place.
But this place is having 100 bedrooms at least, he said. Easily, I should think.
Okay,
Sophie
1
whispered.
minute. Who said this? That there are 100 bedrooms at least. Where are the 100 bedrooms?
In the palace.
And who said to whom?
BFG said to Sophie. BFG said
Yes.
to Sophie.
BFG said to Sophie. Very good. Continue now, easily.
Easily, I should think, Sophie whispered. Then I is boggled, the BFG said. How is I possibly finding the one where the queen is sleeping? Let's go a bit closer and have a look, Sophie whispered. The BFG glided forward among the trees. Suddenly he stopped dead. The great ear in which Sophie was sitting began to swivel round. Hey, hey, Sophie whispered. You are going to tip me. Shh, the BFG whispered back. I was hearing something. He stopped behind a clump of bushes. He waited. The ear was still swinging this way and that. Sophie had to hang on tight to the side of it to save herself from tumbling out. The
Okay.
BFG
1
pointed.
second. So here you said that Sophie was sitting, began to swivel round, right?
Yes.
Yes, swivel round. She started. So what is the meaning of swivel?
Swivel means like.
Underline, ma'am, all
It means like something like rolling down
No,
and down.
see, she's sitting on the ear of a BFG. There was a big hole of a ear. So she started turning round and round. There. She started turning round and round. Swivel. Okay. Continue. Ush from hush.
The BFG whispered back. I was hearing something. He stopped behind a clump of bushes. He waited. The ear was still swinging this way and that. Sophie had to hang on tight to the side of it to save herself from tumbling out. The BFG pointed though a gap in the bushes and there not more than 50 yards away. She saw a man padding softly across the lawn. He had a guard dog with him on a leash.
Okay. Good, good, good. Yes. Praneet Rana. Praneet Rana. I cannot hear you.
Ma'am is saying,
Ma'am.
Huh. Continue. Yes, just now Huria stopped near the leash. What is the meaning of the leash? A rope? Okay, you sit here. A rope or chain. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. A rope chain. I know this.
Yes. Now you continue, Pranit Rana. Why we will use this leash? Do you know? A rope or chain?
Yes, ma'am.
Why?
Dogs.
Yeah, to control the dog.
To control the dog if it
Yes,
gets
yes.
out of control.
Yes, so here the guard, no, he is having a dog with him on a leash.
Ma'am, guard dog, ma'am, guard dog.
Pranit Rana, I don't know what he's doing. Samanyu, can you read out?
Ma'am?
The BFG stayed as?
Yes, ma'am. The BFG stayed as still as a stone. So did Sophie. The man and the dog walked on.
1 second, beta, 1 second.
The BFG stayed as still as a stone. So did Sophie. The man and the dog walked on and disappeared into the darkness. You was telling me there was no soldiers in the back garden. The BFG whispered.
You
He
understood
wasn't
here. Before coming to the palace, the Sophie said that there were no guards, so don't worry, you can hide there. Okay, but what happened?
The BFG saw a guard.
Guard, and he's telling you, cheater, you told me that there were no guards, but here there are a few guards with dogs. Yes?
He wasn't a soldier.
Hmm.
Sophie whispered.
Okay.
He was some sort of a watchman.
We will have to be,
We'll have to be careful.
Okay.
I is not to worry. The BFG said. These waxy big ears of mine is picking up even the noise of a man breathing.
Hmm.
The other side of this garden. How much longer before it begins to get light? Sophie whispered. Very short. The BLG said. We must go pell-mell for leather now.
What is the meaning of this pell-mell for leather now?
Yeah.
Come on, fastly or quickly. Next. Continue. Okay, wait,
Pell-mell.
Samanyo. Let us give chance to the next one now. Vanilla will read. Come on, Vanilla.
Okay. Hey, glider, forward to the west garden.
Glider. He glided.
He glided forward to the west garden, and once again Sophia noticed how he seemed to melt into the shadows whenever he went. His feet made no sound at all, even when he was walking on gravel. Suddenly they were right up close against the back walk of the great place. The BFG's head was level with the upper windows one flight up, and Sophia sitting in his ear had the same view. In all the windows on that floor, the curtains seemed to be drawn. There were no lights showing anywhere. In the distance, they could hear the muted sound of traffic going round Hyde Park corner. The BFG
Hyde
stopped
Park.
and
Okay.
the BFG
Okay.
stopped.
Okay, Vanilla. Yes. Next. Lasya.
Yes, ma'am.
Start. The BFG. What happened, Lasya?
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, fast.
Ma'am, where, ma'am?
Oh, what you're doing till now, you are not looking into the book? (134) page number, last para.
The BFG stopped and put her other ear, the one Sophie one. Ma'am, what is this, ma'am?
Read again from the starting. The BFG
The
stopped and
BFG
put his other.
stopped and put her other ear, the one Sophie
Wasn't.
wasn't sitting in close to the first window.
Okay.
No, he whispered. What are you listening for? Sophie whispered back. Her breathing. The BFG whispered. I is able to tell if it is a human being
Or a lady.
or a lady by the breathing voice. We had a man in there. No,
Snorting a little bit.
nodding a
Underline that snorting.
too.
Horia, find the
He-
meaning of snorting and tell me now.
Oh.
Yes, Lasya, continue. Snorting a
He
little bit.
glided.
He glided on.
A little bit too.
the meaning?
1 minute.
He glided on,
Ah.
flattening
Flattening.
his tall, thin black body against the side of the building. He
Okay.
came to the next window. He listened.
Enough.
No, he
Thank you.
whispered.
Yes, Horia, tell me the meaning of snortling.
Snorkeling means like making a weird sound.
Making a.
Weird sound. Weird.
Yes.
Bad.
So are you noting down the meanings, whatever I am telling, and your friends are sharing some meanings? Are you noting down, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Come on. Viraj,
Yes, ma'am.
read, continue.
Now he whispered. He moved on. This room is empty, he whispered. He listened in it. Several more windows, but at each one he shook his head and moved on. When he came to the window in the very center of the palace, he listened but did not move on. Oh ho, he whispered. He was a lady sleeping. We has a lady sleeping in there. Sophie felt a little quiver go running down her spine. But who? She whispered back. The BFG put a finger to his lips for silence. He reached up through the open window and parted the curtains ever so slightly.
Hmm.
The orange glow from the night sky over London crept into the room and has a glimmer of light onto its walls. It was a large room, a lovely room. A rich carpet, gilded chairs, a dressing table, a bed, and on the pillow of the bed lay the head of a sleeping woman. Sophie suddenly found herself looking at a face she had seen on stamps and coins and in the newspapers all her life. For a few
Okay. What is the meaning of quaver? Did you underline it?
Ma'am, I was reading where it is.
Whenever you get a new word, you have to underline, I said, no?
Yes, ma'am, I felt as a new one, but where it is?
Quaver, meaning is to shake.
Oh, yes, I got this. Oh, yes, ma'am.
To shake.
To shake.
Okay. For a few seconds, she was speechless. See here, they are planning. They just went into the palace. They saw a lady sleeping there. There were so many bedrooms. Finally, they found a lady sleeping in the bedroom and they were trying to blow the dream. Let's continue. What happens next? Let's see. Sai Kirtan is going to read now. Page number 136.
Unmute. Okay. Is that her? The BFG whispered. Yes.
Okay, 1 second. 1 second, beta. Who is her here? Is that her? What is the meaning of that sentence? Any one of you?
Queen.
Yes? Unmute.
I think it's Queen.
Ma'am,
Yeah, they are talking about the queen. Yes? Come on, continue, Sai Kirtan.
Her, the BFG whispered. Yes, Sophie whispered. The BFG wasted no time. First and very carefully, he started to raise the lower half of the large window. The BFG was an expert on windows. He had opened thousands of them over the years to blow his dreams into children's bedrooms. Some windows got stuck, some were wobbly, some creaked. He was pleased to find that the Queen's window slid upward like silk.
Yes, continue.
ma'am, Sai
He
Kirtan
pushed up the lower as it would go, so on the sill for Sophie to sit. Next, he closed the crack in the curtains. Then, with the finger and thumb, he lifted Sophie out of his ear and placed her on the window ledge, with her legs dangling just inside the room.
Underline that word, new
But,
word. Okay, continue.
but behind the curtains, now don't you go tip-toppling backwards, the BFG whispered.
Uh,
You must always be holding on tight with both hands to inside the windowsill. To inside of the windowsill. Sophie did as he said. It was summertime in London and the night was not cold, but do not forget that Sophie was wearing only her thin nightie. She would have given anything for a dressing gown, not just to keep her warm, but to hide the whiteness of her nightie from watchful eyes in the garden below.
okay,
The
fine.
BFG
Fine.
was
Stop. Now tell me what is the meaning of this dangling? I told you to underline, no? Dangling. To hang freely. To hang freely. Hanging. Something freely, okay? To hang freely. Yes, the last paragraph I want Nirvi to read.
Mom,
Yes.
the BFG was taking the glass jar from the pocket of his clock. He unscrewed the lid. Now it's very cautious. He poured the precious dream into the wide end of his trumpet. He streaked the trumpet through the curtain far into the room. I mean, it at the place where he knew the bed to be. He took a deep breath. He puffed out his cheek and puffed the blue. Now he was withdrawing the trumpet, sliding